They need a medic! 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 Now! There's supposed to be 3 to 4 kids that live here. They've only found one.
On May 23, 2022, emergency responders discovered 2 children, a girl aged 8 and a boy aged 10, alone in a smoke-filled home. Both children had severe developmental disabilities. No parent was present. Both children died. This analysis examines the legal framework that produced a criminal conviction and evaluates the professional conduct of the first responding officers.
Do you know if anyone's inside at all? They just pulled somebody out. Oh, really? Hey! Hey! I need a medic! Medic! Now! Now! They need a medic! 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 Now! Get off the fucking hydrant! Oh. What? Yeah, we're on scene. Fires here. I got the full. Someone pulled out one person so far. It's not like there's not a bunch of flames, but there's a ton of smoke coming out of the house here. It's about to start by this year. Is that Sarge? Kid is it now? No, I just doesn't seem like getting just well. There's a kid. There's a kid in the med unit. Oh, how old? Yeah. Probably like also 9. Just said there's a younger kid in the med unit, probably 8 or 9. Right now, I don't know if they're saying sport right now or not. There's more people inside. They don't know. But nobody knows if there's more people inside or not. They're getting in now. Doesn't look good. Okay. Yep. We said, find someone, see what we need to do. Yeah. And then tell them that Sergeant. No, I'm not opening. I'm gonna talk to him. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I was gonna say we should probably. Side now. I'm just gonna keep an eye on these people over here and these people. Anything? He says he doesn't really know exactly what's gonna happen. And there's supposed to be 3 to 4 kids that live here. They've only found one. Oh shit! All right. Man, this smoke was heavy too. The kid was burnt. He wasn't burnt? No, but it's the smoke inhalation. Yeah. The kid did not. Yeah. I'm gonna back the car up a little bit. Whoa. You guys have any information on people who live here? Yes, the adults. There's one lady, but her usually have a white car, but she's not here now. Okay. Do you guys have a phone number for her? No, that's what we're saying. We don't have a phone number. You guys know name? No name. No. Last names, anything like that? No. She's an African lady. Okay. Yeah. And she usually have 2 or 3 kids there. That's what I'm saying. That other guy asked me, so found 2. I don't know if you know them. Okay. Or not. They recently moved in here? About a year ago. About a year ago? Appreciate it, guys. Thank you. Other than that, okay, fucked up. Okay, 4921. Oh, 41 up here. 41, can you start the 56 and call 9 at 255 East Niagara Falls Avenue? Okay, copy. I'll put you on a call. This is just the 2 children. They're at the hospital. How many of your children were home? 2. 2. I just want to get the 2 children were home, huh? Just 2? How old are they? 87. 87. Okay, we'll get you down there. Okay. We'll get you down to the hospital. Ma'am, how old are your children?
Ma'am, we need to know how old your children.
Are there other kids with him?
We'll find that out. It's GB. If someone takes me out, I'll bring it.
Let's figure out how many kids are. We're going to get you a ride down, okay? Part 4, 11 to part 4. We're going to take you down. We're going to take you down, okay? Let's get you up here. It's okay, come on. Come on, stand up here.
56. Go ahead. Right now, is anyone with the victim?
We're going to put you on the cot. We're going to take you down.
Car 4, 11 to car 4.
Chief, you want the cot?
What are they in? Mason? It's a white one on the cot.
56. Be advised, there's no supervisor currently available.
We're going to put her on the cot. Right, ma'am, do you want to take a seat over here on the cot?
We're going to take you down.
Be safer. Come on. We will. We're going to. That's how they're going to do it. You're not supposed to drive on right now.
The foundation of this prosecution is the common law duty of care. Under this doctrine, parents bear an affirmative legal obligation to protect their minor children from foreseeable harm. This duty is not passive. It requires action. In State v. Williams, decided in 1971, a Washington appellate court held that a parent's failure to act in the face of a known threat to a child's life satisfies the actus reus of manslaughter. The court established that omission failing to do what a reasonable parent would do is legally equivalent to an affirmative harmful act. When a duty to act exists, that principle is the legal cornerstone of this case. The criminal charges turn on the recklessness standard. Under Model Penal Code section 2.02 subsection 2 paragraph C, recklessness requires that an actor consciously disregard a substantial and unjustifiable risk. The disregard must represent a gross deviation from the conduct a law-abiding person would observe. 3 facts establish this element here. First, the mother knew her children had developmental disabilities that prevented self-evacuation. Second, she made the affirmative choice to call them out of school and lock them inside the home. Third, she remained absent for over 9 hours. Conscious disregard of a known substantial unjustifiable risk. Every element is satisfied on the face of the record.
She's driving, so somebody needs to make sure
we're handling it now. She's not. No. We're going to be right there. There's this. Is your phone in there? Or is it in the car?
How many children were in there? 2. How old were they?
Where's my phone?
Ma'am,
I don't have my phone.
we need to know how old the children were.
I'll get your phone.
Is it in your car? Huh?
I'll get your phone. Talk to him,
It's
okay?
in that white car.
Okay, talk to him. I'll get your phone.
I sent him down there.
I'm going to bring the car up.
Copy.
What would it take him out?
It's been a while.
From somewhere so she did.
Ma'am, how many children do you have?
Just the 2? 8 and 10.
Okay. There's no other kids that weren't here?
She said no.
No other kids that weren't here?
No, how do you have next go? How do you have next go?
That's the case. We'll get the car down. I want to have to look at driving. That's not Is it my fault? We're bringing it up right now. No more.
Like, what's going to be the game plan? How's she going to get down to the hospital? It's really, it's
I have no clue. They were saying they were going to bring her down to the car. We were going to park her car. So
well, I don't know. She doesn't need to necessarily go to the city. She needs to go with kids.
Yeah.
Just be followed. I'll tell you more.
What's that?
Your arson guy will tell you more.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Drive time, season.
Thank you, brother.
Oh, I got it.
Okay, finish ready. I'll take the keys. She's not going to have me back.
Oh, okay. Makes sense. She doesn't want to go to the hospital?
She will be. Because I think sister's coming here. Medwagon probably.
Oh. But hey, we're just gonna go ask Chief if he wants us to just take it down to kids.
You want the car?
I bet that's probably what
I think
happens.
that's what he
Ma'am,
wants.
is there anybody you'd like us to call?
We're
She
obviously
needs
we're not
to
going to
go.
let her drive.
You're right off.
Is there anybody you want us to call, ma'am? Your husband or?
I don't know if you guys want to have one or two to ride in the back with us. I'm sure that's going to be what the game plan is. If not, we can transport.
We're going to get you on the way to Children's Hospital. If you get up on that cot, they're going to take you right over, okay? Let's help you up onto this cot. Get you on, we're going to get you to the hospital.
Penal Code area 1027 Yale and Terrace District for the 10.
We have everybody at the hospital now. Do you want to go down, Jason, or are you guys in?
Not four. That's all.
I'm a Francis. Sorry.
You can get out of here if you want.
You guys want to follow down? You guys want someone to ride with?
That's up.
I'm going to drive her car down following. We could probably arrange for somebody to get what you guys want.
I don't even need it.
Okay.
All right. Very well.
All right.
The mother was initially charged with 2 counts of reckless homicide and 2 counts of child endangerment. Reckless homicide carries a higher threshold, a near certainty of death rather than a substantial risk. Those charges were subsequently dropped. The plea to involuntary manslaughter and child endangerment reflects the reckless omission standard from State v. Williams. A person under a duty of care who consciously disregards a known risk causing death. Child endangerment separately captures the pattern of conduct, not only the fatal outcome. The sentence of 6 to 9 years reflects the court's assessment of the gravity of that recklessness. Officers on scene called for medical assistance immediately, the correct first priority under emergency response protocol. They canvassed neighbors efficiently, located the absent parent, and managed her arrival with appropriate support. The decision to remove the mother's car keys prevented a traumatized parent from operating a vehicle. Sound judgment consistent with crisis intervention. Training standards. However, Bodycam footage captures an officer's audible laughter at the 10-minute 15-second mark. A grieving parent is being loaded into transport at that moment. Post-training guidelines are unambiguous. Levity has no place at a scene involving child fatalities. Intent does not excuse the breach.
Let's examine the constitutional framework.
First responding officers receive a B+. The collective response was procedurally sound and compassionate across most of this footage. The single professional breach at the 10-minute 15-second mark prevents a higher grade. The mother receives an F. Every element of the recklessness standard is satisfied. She knew the specific vulnerabilities of her children. She created the conditions of their isolation. She remained absent while those conditions became fatal. Her guilty plea is a legal acknowledgement of that reality. No mitigating conduct alters the grade. 3 lessons emerge from this case. First, the legal duty of care for disabled children carries heightened obligations. Known vulnerability raises the required standard of protection. It does not lower it. Second, an overloaded power strip is a foreseeable fire hazard. Failing to address environmental dangers in a home occupied by children who cannot self-rescue is not a passive oversight. It is reckless conduct under the model Penal Code standard. Third, Bodycam footage does not forgive unprofessional conduct. Officers must conduct themselves as if every moment is under review, because it is. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.